Hello! This video will show you the steps involved with inserting JavaScript in the e-commerce shop using the eCommerce admin. A common use of the JavaScript insertion page is adding third-party chat or support widgets, or Google Analytics. Any valid JavaScript can be inserted into the e-commerce shop to provide a wide range of custom functionality, such as overriding the system's CSS. As a warning, inserting JavaScript is an advanced feature. Only an admin with AngularJS web development experience should attempt modifications. Let's get started by logging in. Navigate to the JavaScript insertion page under the Advanced Customization section. To create a new JavaScript insertion, click the Add New button and select Google Analytics. This opens the Add Insertion pop-up window. In the pop-up, enter a name to add context to the insertion and aid in finding it later. Enter your Google Analytics tracking code. To find the Google Analytics ID, sign in to your Analytics account. Click Admin. Under Property, click Tracking Info. Under the Tracking Code section, your tracking ID is displayed at the top of the page. The rest of the settings are multifaceted configuration, or MFC. These settings allow you to customize this feature in a variety of ways, such as customizing its display based on an associate's or customer's country, language, user type, status, rank, and if the customer is logged into their account. MFC can even customize a time limit of when the feature begins and ends, or have it always display. In some MFC options, the Custom Configurations field is visible. With this field, you can configure this feature to display by adding variable strings related to an associate's data. Click the Learn How tab to see a Help Center resource for help on how to write the syntax. Click the Publish toggle now to publish immediately after saving, or you can publish later within the admin insertion list. Click the Save button. The pop-up will close and the insertion will be added to the admin insertion list, where it can be edited and deleted. For an example of inserting your own JavaScript code to create functionality not available by default, we're going to show how to add Facebook Pixel tracking to the e-commerce shop. Facebook Pixel is a tool that tracks analytical data that measures the effectiveness of Facebook advertisements. Through the custom script feature, it can be added to your e-commerce shop. If you haven't already, create a Facebook Pixel. Facebook's Business Help Center has a helpful article to help you begin. See the link in the description below to access it. Manually add your Facebook Pixel code. You can find it by following these steps. Log into Facebook and go to your Ads Manager account. Go to the Pixels tab in Events Manager. Click Set Up Pixel. Then click Manually Add Pixel Code to the website. In the JavaScript insertion page, click the Add New button and select Custom Script. As before, enter a name. In the JavaScript code editor, start a try-catch statement. For example, next, add the Facebook Pixel code. All that is needed is the code between the script tags. In the JavaScript code editor, paste the code under try. The rest of the settings are multifaceted configuration, or MFC. Just as before, configure them to your preference. Click the Save button. The pop-up will close and the insertion will be added to the admin insertion list, where it can be edited and deleted. You now know how to insert JavaScript using the eCommerce admin. For more in-depth videos, tutorials, and how-to guides, visit the Help Center at help.directscale.com. And thanks for watching.